Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. I love breakfast, and today we're making up this absolutely incredible farmer's breakfast. Easy to make, it's kind of like a skillet quiche. I think you're gonna love it, so let me show you how to do this.
Okay, the first thing you want to do, guys, is grab up 6 eggs and simply crack them into a bowl. Now I'm using farm fresh eggs here that I got down the road, but you can use, like I do in a pinch, some Walmart or grocery store eggs. Grab up some fresh parsley and cut it up fairly fine. And go ahead and throw this in as well. Not necessito, but I really like it.
And I got this parsley fresh from the garden, and sadly enough, the season's ending. What are you gonna do?
Now in with 1/3 of a cup of milk, about 1/3 of a cup. You can just kind of eyeball this. Go ahead and season this up with about a teaspoon of salt. Same amount of ground black pepper. And believe it or not, about half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I use garlic in my eggs, but that is entirely up to you. Grab up the old whisk and whisk everything together until it becomes a little bit frothy. So what you want to do now is just go ahead and set this aside. Next up, I'm going to grab up 2 sausages. Now I'm using honey and garlic here, but dadgummit, I should have used Italian, but oh well, you can if you like. You can use just about any kind of sausage. Of course, you're going to slice these into cookable sections. Alright, throw some oil into a skillet over medium-high heat. Add those sausages in. And of course, when you get that nice sizzle, you know your pan is ready. And we will just stir and fry these until they are no longer pink and they are cooked through.
And I mean, too, guys, you could throw a bit of bacon in here. That would be so good. There's nothing nicer than the smell of sausage and bacon frying, especially in the old farmer's breakfast here.
Next, I'm going to scoop up half a chopped red onion, and it can be white too, and throw this into the mix. And notice I've just kind of moved the sausage to one side. Then a couple of handfuls of country-style diced hash brown potatoes. We'll just throw these in beside the onion.
Now I did buy these good old countryside potatoes here, guys, the frozen ones. But you could go ahead and parboil some potatoes too, some fresh ones, and use those. They work equally as well. This is just a tad easier.
Then once again, grab up the old handy dandy spoon and stir and fry everything for about 3 to 5 minutes until those potatoes are cooked through and those onions are a little bit translucent. And I don't know, guys, this is looking and smelling pretty good right now. Okay, let's grab up that egg mixture that's ever been so patiently waiting and pour it in over top of that sausage mixture. Lower the heat a little bit and we'll just let this cook away until it begins to set. After it's begun to set, I'm going to throw in a few chopped cherry tomatoes. You don't have to, but I just find these add some nice color and some nice flavor to the dish. Now slip a lid on and let these simmer away, lowering the heat just a little bit more until everything sets completely. While that's cooking away, I'm going to grate up some old sharp cheddar cheese. Of course, you can use the cheese of your choice. And once the eggs are just about set, go ahead and remove the lid, grab up that cheese, and just sprinkle it over the top. And oh my goodness, this is looking so good. And you know what? I think I'll add some chopped green onions just for a little bit more color and flavor. You guessed it, place that lid back on and let it cook away until that cheese melts. And just look at this after a couple of minutes. And there you have it, my friends, the farmer's breakfast. So easy, so filling, absolutely delicious. You are gonna love this, definitely a must make.
Okay, let's cut into this, guys, and see what we have. Oh, I think this is gonna be so good. All right, let's grab a good chunk of this up and see. Oh, look at that, piping, steaming hot. I got lots of sausage on there. Oh, absolutely incredible. I just love the egg, I love the sausage, the seasoning of it. There's a little bit of salt and pepper and some garlic. Absolutely fantastic, easy to make, well worthwhile making. You're gonna want to make this more often. The farmer's breakfast, incredible. Of course, I'm gonna have more. So good.